so excited to start this art series wherein we will be drawing cute doodles for 365 days. So get your sketch pads, papers, colors, and any art materials that you have. This is going to be easy. I'm going to be guiding you step by step throughout the drawing process. I will try to explain as best as I can the drawing process, but you could also refer to the drawing guide on the upper left corner. So day 1, we will start with a bumblebee. So first, I want you to lightly sketch across, like so. We will erase this later so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then we will draw an oval. One side is bigger than the other side. So mine looked like an equal circle, so I'm trying to make the other side bigger, like so. So I'm making the cross a little longer because I will be drawing the body as well. And then right now I'm going to draw the antenna for the bee. Just make it a little bit curved. It doesn't have to be perfect, and we're going to be tracing this later, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And now we'll be drawing the body. The body is just like a little curved on one side. And then I'm drawing the limbs right now. Just follow through what I'm drawing. So the bee has 6 limbs, and we're going to be drawing an oversized stinger. I'll be drawing the tail, and you can refer to the drawing on the side as well. And then the wings on the right side, and then now we're going to draw the face. For the face, make sure the mouth is closer to the eyes so it looks cuter. And now we're going to outline the bee. So use a thicker pen, a marker, and make a thicker outline for the bee's face. So I'm outlining the body, the arms, or the limbs, the wings. And then I'm using a thinner pen to outline the eyes. Also be using a thinner pen to outline the lines in the body, and then we're going to erase the blue line in the background and clean up the lines in our drawing. So now we're going to color. So I'm going to find the right kind of yellow. It's a bright yellow that I'm going to be using here. And then I'm going to color the segments for the body kind of dark gray. And then the wings a lighter gray, and then we're going to be doing the shading. I'm shading the wings, and then that's all. Hope you followed it well. If you have any suggestions, you can leave comment down below on what you want me to draw. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.